Hi friends, I hope in last video I have explained about the first chapter from Bihar, the fun they had, and I hope you all understood about what the chapter was. Now we'll move ahead with our another section, poem section, that means poetry section. Our first poem, that the road not taken, which is written by a very famous writer, American writer, Robert Frost. Without wasting much time, first of all, I am going to give you the central idea of the poem, that about what the poem is. In this poem, you can see that two types of roads are there. That means one day that poet just walked through the forest. At that moment, he saw two different diverging road in a forest. Now he'll have confusion that on which way he'll have to go, which way he wants to select or he wants to choose. So first he think, and then after some moment he choose the second part, that means second road. On that road very less traveler was there, and why he has chosen that second road, behind that one particular reason is there. So to describe this reason and why he has chosen that second road, that about that the poem is. Now we'll move ahead word to word. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. That means two roads are there, and but obvious that एक person दो रोड पे एक साथ ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down as far as I could. कि मैंने बहुत दूर तक, जितनी दूर तक देख सकता था उतनी दूर तक मैंने पहले रोड पे देखा. To where it went in the undergrowth. यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे झुक के देखा कि जहाँ पे बहुत सारे undergrowth का मीनिंग ये होता है कि too much lots of trees, plants and bushes के वो झाड़ियाँ हम लोग बोलते हैं वो, यानी वो रोड पे उसको ट्रैवलर को ये सब कुछ दिख रहा था हमारे पोएट को. यहाँ पे डाइवर्स का मीनिंग ही होता है टू सेपरेट और टू गो इन अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. एंड वुड, एक्चुअली में वुड का मीनिंग होता है लकड़ियाँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें उसका मीनिंग लेना है फॉरेस्ट. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. And when I just see and I observe the second one road, at that moment I found something betterment and something better feeling comparing to the first road, because it was grassy and wanted here. That second road is also look like the same, that second road is also look like grassy and very less travel. Though as for the passing there had warned them really about the same. Both the roads looked like in the same situation. Both the roads were less traveled, then both the roads were covered with the grass, many plants, trees and everything. Now I had a confusion that means which way I have to select. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. And same thing कि मेरे लिए कंफ्यूजन ही था कि अगर मैं आज ये एक रोड चूज करता हूं तो शायद मुझे दूसरे रोड पे कभी आने का मौका मिले या ना मिले. शायद मैं वो रोड पे आऊंगा कि नहीं आऊंगा, उसके लिए मुझे बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क है. ओह, आई केप्ट द फर्स्ट फॉर अनदर डे. चलो मैं आज एक रोड चूज करता हूं, मैं दूसरा रोड कभी दूसरी बार के लिए छोड़ देता हूं. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, still I doubted if I should ever come back. चलो मैं ये एक रोड दूसरे दिन के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ, but still it is not decided कि whether I will come back or not. I am having a doubt कि मैं कभी वापस आऊँगा कि नहीं आऊँगा, तब तक मैं जिंदा रहूँगा कि नहीं रहूँगा. ये एक डाउट है वहाँ पे मुझे. तो जो पोएट है वो कंफ्यूज है कि अगर मैं ये सेकंड रोड रखता हूँ तो वो सेकंड रोड क्यों, यानी कि फर्स्ट रोड जो मैंने बाकी रखा है, मैं सेकंड रोड चूज करता हूँ तो वो फर्स्ट रोड पे मैं वापस आऊंगा कि नहीं आऊंगा. हियर प्लेइंग दैट मींस डिमांड. Lay that means place the very horizontally. Horizontally that means you people are knowing. Now I shall be telling this with a sigh. That means take a deep breath. While taking deep breath, now I decided in my mind that I have to go for the second road, which is very less traveled and which is covered with the plants, trees and busy areas. Now why I have taken that second road? Behind that I am having one reason, that somewhere ages and ages hence, yani when I have completed that my journey of the second road, and after many years, after ages and ages, यानी बहुत सालों के बाद, two roads diverged in a wood, and I, जब बहुत साल बीत जाएंगे, मेरी पीढ़ियां आ जाएंगी, तब मैं मेरी पीढ़ियां यानी कि मेरे बच्चे और उनके भी बच्चे, वो सबको मैं कह सकूंगा कि once I traveled through the forest, at that moment I had two roads, the two roads diverged in a forest, and I have taken the second one. Why I have taken second one? That is the reason. And why I have not chosen the first one? That's what I want to say, or I want to convey to my that children and grandchildren. I took the one less traveled path, and that has made all the difference. And at the end, that poet wants to convey the message that this is only the reason when I became the successful person. I conveyed the message to my children and grandchildren that I took, that means I have taken the second road, and just because of that reason I became the successful person. कि अगर मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता हूं तो भी उनको मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि वो मेरी खुद की गलती थी, वो मेरा खुद का डिसीजन था कि why I have taken the second road, because it was less travel. और वो लेस ट्रैवल यानी कि जहां पे सब लोग नहीं जाते थे, वो ट्रैवल, वो रोड को मैंने चूज किया था, और जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन आई बिकेम द सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. Yes guys, actually that just because, that means with the example of this poem, with the example of this forest as well as that roads, poet wants to convey the very deep meaning about our life, about our journey. Okay, many times we are getting opportunities, we are having many roads, and we have to select anyone. At that moment we feel confusion, we have a doubt. But what we people are doing normally, we are, that means following which road or which opportunity that के जहां पे बहुत सारे लोग जा रहे हैं, हम लोग ब्लाइंडली वही रोड को फॉलो करते हैं. हम लोग ये नहीं सोचते कि why shouldn't take other one which is less travel. हम लोग क्यों वहां पे नहीं जाते जहां पे बहुत कम लोग जा रहे हैं. Shall we take other one? Why? चलो ना आज कुछ नया करके देखते हैं. वो नया करने की राह में शायद कुछ नया मिल जाए, कुछ नया हम लोग ढूंढे. तो हमें राइटर, हमें पोएट ये एक ही मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते कि आप कुछ नया करो, कुछ नई चॉइस, कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आप निकालो. आप सेकंड रोड पे जाओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि वो जो जहां पे कम लोग जा रहे हैं वहां पे क्यों कम लोग जा रहे हैं. मे बी कि वहां वो रोड यानी कि वो अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत कम लोगों को मिलती है, या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि ऑन दैट रोड और इन दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी मेनी हर्डल्स, मेनी डिफरेंस, many difficulties are there. That's why the people are doing, or that's why the people are going in a first one. So take the other one. Definitely you will learn something from that difficulty. While facing the difficulty, while facing the hurdles, definitely every person is learning something. So try to get new. Definitely you will get something. Definitely, I sure for that. So according to the poet, according to the every person, they are trying to convey the message that please, whenever you will get this kind of confusion, at that moment choose the right one, which is less travel. That means on which very less people are going. तो शायद आपको कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, और बाय चांस अगर नहीं भी मिलेगा तो भी आप खुद को ही सिर्फ ब्लेम करोगे कि चलो मेरा ही खुद का डिसीजन था, मैंने ब्लाइंडली किसी को फॉलो नहीं किया है, मैंने अपना दिमाग लगा के ये मेरा डिसीजन था. कुछ ना कुछ तो डेफिनेटली आई गारंटेड कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिलेगा. सो इनडायरेक्टली द पोएट वांट्स टू कन्वे द सेम थिंग कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे ऐसे सिचुएशंस आते हैं जहाँ पे आपको कुछ एक दो में से कोई एक चूज करना है, तो आप थोड़ा हार्ड वाला चूज करो, या फिर आप एक ऐसी सिचुएशन चूज करो जहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग जा रहे हैं। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट द होल पोएम. If you will have any doubt in online session, will clear your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.